thank you. New information coming out tonight about an animal rescue director accused of cruelty in Colorado Springs.
13 Investigates broke the story and has now learned the charges stem from the deaths of 2 puppies. KRDO
News Channel 13 investigative reporter Chelsea Brensel joins us live to explain this case. Chelsea.
Tonight, New Hope still has dozens of animals up for adoption, even though the woman who runs it has been accused of neglecting animals she adopted out. When we stopped by today, they told us Director Joanne Roof wasn't there and they had no comment. This is Kaiser, an Australian cattle dog German Shepherd mixed puppy adopted to a Colorado Springs family in July 2020. The day he was adopted to them, Kaiser vomited, but New Hope rescue staffers said he was fine, according to a court affidavit. 2 days later, the family took him to the vet. The vet suspected early stages of parvo and gave them this nearly $2,000 bill for treatment. They decided to take Kaiser back to the rescue for treatment, but court records say Kaiser never received proper vet care and ended up dying just 4 days after his adoption.
At least 3 different animals that were neglected and did not receive appropriate care for their health and well-being.
Joanne Roof was originally charged with 3 felony counts of animal cruelty in August 2020. She was charged with the felonies because it was her second offense. But on Wednesday, those charges were consolidated to 1 misdemeanor because she met the terms of her deferred sentence from the 2014 charges.
This is a woman who has access to dozens of animals that she's adopting out to the public. If she's convicted on these misdemeanor crimes, is there anything that prevents her from operating New Hope Rescue?
That's a good question. And anybody who runs a rescue, an animal shelter, is required to have a PACFA license. That's the Pet Animal Care and Facilities Act. And they do have inspectors who at that point, and this did happen previously in 2014 as well, is when somebody is convicted of a cruelty charge, they lose their PACFA license.
Animal law enforcement says Roof previously lost her license, but was able to get it back after paying fines and serving 6 months of unsupervised probation for the 2014 charges. But they are hopeful she won't be able to get that license back again.
Our hopes is that, if this particular individual is convicted, that she will not be allowed to resume what she's doing.
Animal law enforcement is asking anyone with information related to New Hope Rescue to contact them. New Hope Rescue posted a statement on its Facebook page saying its #1 priority is the lives of the animals and finding them forever families. The rescue also says it saved the lives of over 10,000 unwanted and abused animals. Chelsea Brensel, 13 Investigates.
Chelsea, thanks. We were able to investigate this story after a viewer contacted us. If you have anything you'd like us to look into, send us an email. The address is 13investigates@krdo.com.